Hey guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I'm Luna. Today we are going to be making brunch. We're going to be making crepes for brunch actually. I love crepes. And I have my nephew over this weekend and he loves blackberries. And so I'm making some blackberry fruit filling for his crepes. I'm also going to make a second one with strawberries. And what I'm doing is I'm dicing the blackberries, adding a little powdered sugar, adding a little salt, adding some sour cream, and a tiny bit of vanilla extract. And it's really tasty. This is a real simple fruit filling recipe. Literally all I'm doing is adding sour cream, powdered sugar, a little salt, and some vanilla extract. And if you didn't want to use sour cream, just go ahead and utilize cream cheese for this recipe. And I'll have all the ingredients that I use in the description box. For our crepes, we're just cracking some eggs. Now the recipe calls for eggs, flour, milk, salt, melted butter, some extract, whatever flavor you want to use. I actually ended up using heavy cream for my crepes. I don't think I ate enough crepes to notice a difference between the heavy cream and the milk. So next time I'm gonna have to eat more. But it was really good. And I should also tell you guys that initially my crepe batter was too thick, and so when I was cooking it, the first crepe I noticed that it was too thick, so I added a little more water. I made it really kind of watery, and that made my crepes kind of like thinner and easier to manage. And again, I'll include all the ingredients in the description box so you could see what I actually ended up using. So making these crepes, I had no special tools. Some people have like a special little rolling tool that they use to flatten the crepe in the pan. I didn't have that. So I just kind of put my crepe in the pan, just kind of like you see in a circular spiral motion. And then I did that to just kind of even out everything so that way there's no holes or nothing. So I could get like a nice round crepe. And that's basically it. Like you just want to make sure that your batter is not thick. It's just real kind of liquidy, so that way when you're doing it, it can just be a little bit runny. And you want your crepe to just be real thin. That way you can fold it if you want to. That's what I ended up doing with mine. I just kind of folded it before I put it on a plate. And I sprinkled some powdered sugar on my plate. And then I just placed my crepe. And it worked. Guys, let me just say, like, this is as homemade as you get. Like, really, like, I didn't have any tools or nothing. Like, this was just me winging it with my hands and everything. I got burned a couple of times, so please don't do that. Please be safer than I was. But these crepes were everything, and they came out so good. And as you can see, the final results. So I ended up making like a full breakfast for my little nugget, my nephew. So I made scrambled eggs, I had some hash brown, I had some sausages, and yeah, it was really good. Breakfast was a total success. So go ahead and try it. Let me know how it turns out. Please leave me any questions, any comments or anything, and I will go ahead and leave all the ingredients that I use in the description box. Bye guys.